would you like 6 months of business learning in one day? How about joining 100 other business owners who all want to do the same? My name is Lorraine of District 32 and I'm super excited to invite you to our upcoming Pathway to Growth programme on May the 30th. So what is it? What is it all about? Well, District 32, we wanted to find a way that we can help business owners to grow their business as fast as they can. And we wanted to do something a little bit different. Instead of just saying, here's the agenda, come along, you might not like all the speakers, what we would do would be run 2 concurrent rooms, 12 experts on the day, and you get to choose your speaker or your pathway to growth. So we've got experts who've been there and done it, who are all going to share their wisdom with us on system, marketing, people, culture, finance, accessing capital, legal, sales. Everything about business will be covered in this day. So you get to choose your own pathway, you get to grow your network, you get to access new opportunities, and you get all that juicy learning from one program. I'm super excited to be there myself. I'm really looking forward to meeting you. So book your ticket now and don't miss out. Thank you very much. I'll see you there.